This is your man Tete, aka Boom Boom. Welcome to my channel again. This time it's called Freestyle, Kpanlogo Freestyle. Yes, we've been doing the Djembe Freestyle too. You can check it out and just enjoy it. This is also Kpanlogo Freestyle. But before I go to the freestyle, there is one important rhythm that anyone who plays Kpanlogo needs to know. Anyone who enjoys Kpanlogo, you play Kpanlogo, you need to know, okay? There is actually no name, but I used to call it, for simply, I just used to call it slap mute or bye-bye. When I say bye-bye, you know, in some country they do bye-bye like this. So, but slap is, so if you want to mute the slap, then it's going to be like, right? Yeah, but it's kind of in between the slap and slap mute and the bye-bye. And bye-bye, if you want to transfer this on the drum, then you're going to be like this, right? Yeah, so this is very important sound when you are playing Kpanlogo, because this connects other sound and sound together to keep you going, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, something like that. So it's really, it's not like Djembe that you have a lot of rest. In Kpanlogo, you have to keep this will keep you, your hands keep going. Yeah, so first, before I'll go to the free rhythm, let's try the bye-bye sound. Just, this is your hand to this level. So all this side will be on the drum, okay? And this side will be at the edge of the drum. So you have it like this, right? And just bring it. Don't be doing like this. Don't do like this. If you do like this, you can get the sound. This side have to hit, touch the edge of the drum. And just don't touch and be doing like this too, you know. It have to move like you are playing. So it's touch, it's raise, it's touch, it's, you know, it goes on and on. So that's how. So, and you'll be muting. Your fingers will mute. You will mute the skin. Your fingers will don't mute, is going to be like that, and you don't want this sound. We want so your fingers are pushing the skin and bringing it back, like bringing it back, to get the sound, to get that sound. Okay, so that's, you have to put some practice on it. Yeah, it's not easy, but when you put practice on it, boom, you definitely get it, you know what I mean? So let's try the freestyle rhythm, okay, the freestyle rhythm. You see, now we are using the bye-bye sound that is playing. Keeps the timing for us. So we went slap and tone. Taki tiki, taka, 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 taki tiki, taka, 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 taki tiki, taka, 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 taki tiki, taka, taka, taka. So let's try again. It's bass, it's slap, and it's go like that. Slap. We go again. We go again. Then we add the bye-bye sound, which is the slap mute. We go taki tiki, taka, taka, taka. Okay. Taka, 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 slowly so you can get it, so you will not be like, oh damn, he was going fast so I couldn't get it. So let me go slowly, okay? And all the time, remember, I'm left-handed. So if you are right-handed, make sure you start slapping with your right hand, okay? Because I was doing left, but you will go, okay? Yeah. So let's try again. That's how it's going to be, right? Yeah. So if you love it, why not? It's a freestyle from me, Tete, to you. So take it, practice, use it, enjoy life. Okay, see you again, and make sure you send it to your friends, share it, so we all will enjoy. We all going to enjoy the music. So see you, subscribe, don't forget to hit the button and like and comment, and I mean, let me know what you also think about or what you want me to do, and let's enjoy music together. Boom. See you. One more. Bye bye.